I should use Hi guys, day something of planning my holiday. Today we are fetching my dress from the designer. She called and said the dress is ready. Yeah, the dress is ready, so we're fetching that today. We're doing that today. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you all to see that dress. Like I'm fetching the base of the dress. Yeah, and tomorrow I'm writing my face paper, so kind of nervous, but we're good, man. So let's go and fetch my dress. Guys, we're almost there. I don't know, guys, my body is acting like it's allergic to everything, if that makes any sense. Like, hey bro, like I came out. Okay, I've been walking for like 30 minutes or so, right? Okay, fine. It's very sunny, that's why I have the umbrella. Okay, fine, it's very sunny. My body, like guys, my nose is blocked. I cannot smell a thing. Hey bro, my body, my stomach is acting funny, guys. Like my body is acting like it's allergic to the sun. Like I understand. My body is doing things to me. I don't know. I feel so sick. Guys, I'm almost there. Wish me luck. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record there because I'm scared of the lady. Then, yeah. So, guys, this is the dress. This is the dress. Wish I could show you. Let me try showing you. This is the dress. This is the dress. Guys, I don't like these things. Yeah, well, she needs to do it like this. You see, guys, don't mind this. I'm alone here. Don't mind this. But this is her face. Yeah, well, she needs to do that here, and then she also needs to do this more, like here, and then this here. You see the vision of my face now. She needs to fix those things. This is the dress, right, guys? Do you see this? You see this? She needs to fix that. But I like the face. It's long. I don't mind it being flowy at the bottom. But here, she needs to fix. She needs to fix. Well, so that's more flattering. It's like you only go in match. She needs to fix this so that it's like more like this. When the beads are here, you won't even see. These are the beads, guys. When the beads like are here, you see, you won't even. So give it dimension. Yeah. I'm so excited. Guys, I've opened the package of this thing. I've opened the package, as you can see. I'm gonna try and show you guys everything that I got from this starting. Okay, so guys, I've opened this, right, and I started arranging my flowers because I don't know, I was so excited. Anyways, this I'm not done, but this is my bouquet, guys. It's not done. I think I'm still gonna order more red flowers. I mean, I might not, but I like it. This is the bouquet. I added the rhinestones and I added this thing. I don't know what it's called that I ordered. I taped it here, and then I'm still gonna wrap it with the wrap. But this is the package. These are the flowers. This is my bouquet. I love it actually. And then I ordered this. Oh, this is the thingy that's on the bouquet. This is what it's actually. There were two inside. I thought I actually ordered one, but there were two. And then we have this little hair clip thingy. This is the hair clip, you guys, for my hair. Oh, I'm trying to show you guys how it look, but this is the hair clip. I like it so much. These hair clips are very like trendy right now. So yeah. Okay guys, and then I also ordered those eyelashes. This is in a cat eye. It's cat eye. I'm not sure what it's called, hybrid or something. But these are the lashes. They are double. Like, how do you say it? They are double lashed or something, but they are double, as you can see, like how big they are here. And then you can see, guys, you can see. And then I got these are the rhinestones we actually saw on the flowers. I got these dress makeup hands for my flowers, mainly for my flowers. But yeah, these are the pins, as you can see. These are the pins. Yeah, I ordered like 100 piece of this. I don't know why, because I'm not gonna do 100 piece of flowers, but might use them for something else. This is my MD shade board, so most of it is actually for my Matric Dance. Anyways, guys, I'm a bit sick. It's sunny outside, and like I feel so sick. And then I ordered the. Guys, just know on Shein, if something comes in a plastic bag like this, just know it's very fragile. Guys, are you ready to see? I ordered this. Guys, it's so pretty. I ordered this hanger thingy. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to put my dress. Did you see the vision? This is the hanger. I love it. I love it. I love it. But this is the hanger, guys. Yeah, let me put it back in here. I like it. And then we also ordered suit gems. Also ordered this 2 gem kit. I'm gonna jam out. I'm just gonna do something simple. I'm gonna do butterfly here, and then if you're gonna see that these are the 2 gems I'm gonna use. And then I ordered this spray thingy, the shimmery spray thingy. I don't know, guys. I'll tell you the review when I use this. This is it because I wanna be glowing. But this is the spray thingy. Yeah, and then I also ordered these cutesy earrings. Man. I might change them, but I ordered these really cutesy earrings. As you can see, these are my MD earrings. They're so cute. So cute. And then I ordered these nails. These are for my feet. I ordered. Do you call them feet? I don't know, but I ordered these. for my toes. Oh, for my toes, I ordered those for my toes. And then they also give you the nails for your hand, and then the nails for your toenails. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. And then we also got this. Also got these. I'm gonna insert a picture of what this is because I don't want to open it because I don't like it. Smells so bad. I genuinely thought it was the fake one, but it's not the fake one, it's the real one. So I'm pretty bummed up about that, but it's okay. Ooh. But my phone, my phone does not fit here. Like my phone does not fit in here. They also give you in case you want to change your style and put it like this during the night. I might do that during the night, but taking photos, I'm not gonna do that obviously. This is the bag. It's super duper cute. I like it. I love it. In fact, I love this bag. Like I love. This is the bag. This is how. Excuse me. Do you see? I love this bag, and I'm sure guys you have seen this bag because most girlies. I wanted the one with rhinestones, but my mother said it might be too much with the braids. Is like they're very loud, so now it has my fingerprints. I have to wipe it. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. And the reason why I don't do hold is because I'm so awkward. Anyways, and then we have this phone case. I already opened it. We have this phone case for my phone, whatever, for taking pictures. It matches nicely, but I don't think I'm gonna use this. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I don't think I'm gonna use that one. And then we have another phone case. This is a simple white one. And we have the heart that I can stick on the back. Whatever. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a very simple. And then we got a robe. We got this robe. We got a white robe that needs customization. Guys, it didn't have these things. I added these on my own, but it does on our own. You will see, like, I'll probably post those videos. This is the robe. It looks so cute. Let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks on me. It looks so and then this is the belt for the robe. It's too hot for me to be wearing the robes, guys, but this is the robe. I got it in a medium. I'm happy that I got it in a medium because I almost got it in a small, and it could have, it was gonna be so small, but I'm happy like I got it in a medium. I need to go and customize it. And then I also got the front side. Guys, I'm not gonna open this and show you because it's a band, but this is a synthetic wig in the color honey blonde. You all are gonna see how it looks the day of my MD. I'm gonna get it professionally installed. I just have to do the curls on my own. It's already pre-bleached and plowed, so it's perfect. You see, it's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna try, guys, and put inspirational pictures here so that you guys can see how I want it to look like. But this is the wig that we got. I'm gonna try inserting like the screenshots of everything that I got. And we got these hair clip thingies. I already opened them and used them, but these frontal thingies, like when we're getting ready, when I'm installing my frontal, I think I'm gonna use these. I don't know, but I got these. I wanted to get these for the longest time, but I got these in black. And then what else is in here? And then, oh guys, are you ready to see my MD nails? Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. These are my MD nails, guys. They look so cute. I got this in a medium and they fit so perfectly. Every single one of them fits. But I got these super cute nails. Got these super duper cute nails. And then I got, oh, as I was telling you guys, I'm still gonna wrap the flowers. This is the plastic wrap that I got in baby pink. I got this in baby pink. Yeah. And then I also got this perfume. I already opened it, guys. I told you I already opened most of these things. I also got this cutesy perfume. I am not the biggest fan of the smell, but I don't hate the smell. This is the perfume. This is the perfume. Do you see? Do you see? It looks so expensive. Like, oh, it smells so okay. It smells good. Like, guys, okay, at first it smells good, and then it just gets irritating. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not bad. I actually don't hate it. This is the perfume that I got. And then also got, this is the last thing. I also got these. I also got a charm bracelet and a watch. This is the watch. This is the watch. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna wear jewelry. Do you see I'm already jeweled up? And then we also got this beautiful charm bracelet. Can you see? I'm trying to make the camera focus on it. We also got this super cute charm bracelet, which has this cute bear. This is so cute. And then, guys, I love bears. And then I also got this one holding a ball, and then it has this heart thingy, and then it has this balls and a star because I am a star. And you see, I also got this charm bracelet thingy. I love the charm. Okay, the perfume actually smells nice when you leave it to smell. It smells nice. And then we also got this ring. I got these rings on a previous order. I don't know where the rest of them are, but I'm gonna insert the picture of the rings. This is one of the rings that I've chosen that I'm gonna wear for my MD. I'm still gonna look for the other ones that I'm gonna choose to wear for my MD. Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for my MD. The preparation, so far the preparations are going good, I guess. I can say the preparations are going very good. Also went to fetch my dress today. Oh, you will see that dress, guys. You will see. Also went to fetch my dress. Comments on my dress needs to be fixed where it needs to be fixed, but I think I like it. Yeah, still needs beading and stuff, but yeah. By the way, the person that was supposed to bead my dress is saying my dress is coming too late, so that they're not gonna be able to bead it. Mind you, there's a whole month left until my MD. I think she took so many orders that now she cannot, like, double too many orders. So that's okay, guys. I'm not mad at her or anything. I'm gonna figure it out on my own because I can. Yeah.